TE Connectivity Trigger multi-port under-dash antenna. As the go-to engineering partner for today's innovation leaders and technology entrepreneurs, we're helping solve tomorrow's toughest challenges with advanced connectivity and antenna solutions. Introducing the latest innovation in vehicular and fleet IoT applications. The Trigger 4 or 5 multi-port antenna family. Traditional flat or candy bar antennas offer good cellular wide area network performance but are susceptible to dropouts. To overcome this, the Trigger antenna family uses a unique antenna element polarization scheme with the inclusion of both vertical and horizontal radiating elements contained within the same antenna, creating total circumferential vehicle coverage. This provides improved signal received power and quality and reduces nulls and gain ripples. The Trigger antenna family offers superior decorrelation of the MIMO pair of cellular ports, resulting in consistent connectivity and data throughput. Customers have reported a 6 dB improvement in received signal strength versus competing products. Unlike traditional antennas, the Trigger antenna's unique L shape enables covert or discrete mounting underneath a vehicle's dash, mounted over or around bulky objects such as air ducts. Mounting is simple and fast from the incorporated adhesive pads. This also avoids the requirement for drilling the exterior of the vehicle to fit a permanent mount antenna. The Trigger family of antennas are suited to vehicular and IoT applications, such as transportation, public safety, fleet operators, vehicle and asset tracking, and in-vehicle and to-vehicle communications. Trigger antennas come standard with an SMA male connector on cellular and GNSS ports, and an RPSMA male Wi-Fi connector. FACRA connector options are also available for traditional automotive applications. The navigation port receives the basic GNSS range of satellites. The cellular ports include frequency ranges from a minimum of 698 MHz to a maximum of 2700 MHz. And the Wi-Fi ports support both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Versatility is at the forefront of the Trigger antenna family. Performance is also further increased due to reduced cable lengths from mounting in the cab of the vehicle, closer to the vehicle's gateway or router, creating a safer, sustainable, productive, and connected future. TE Connectivity. For more information, visit www.te.com.